Alright, we're on to our belt buckle craft. And these are the belts that we showed you in the very beginning. We got all these for 97 cents each. And this is a ribbon from last year. An old bow from last year. Okay. And all we did is cut the buckle from the belt. Just here it is. Just snipped it off at the buckle. Okay. Now, I measured this ribbon to fit into the place where the belt went. So I'm going to loop it in there. See if the glue gun's hot. Okay. Loop that in there. I think about that. Maybe right there is long enough. That looks long enough. Okay. Now this felt it's like velveteen ribbon. If you start at one end like that, it'll tear basically pretty straight. See how? And you can get a smaller. I think I even want it a little bit smaller. Okay. Well, pinch and pull, pinch and pull. Kind of gather it a little bit. There we go. Now don't pull this real hard, these thin pieces, because they will break. Make a little shoelace bow. Tighten up this bow. Okay, now let's trim everything up. Come up here, trim that up. No, let's see. Okay. I'm going to round it a little bit. There we go. I don't have the traditional Christmas tree bulb hooks, but I do have this. If you know what these are, you can let me know. I don't know what they are. I got them at a thrift store. I thought there was something you make earrings with, I believe, but I'm pretty sure that's not what it is. So if you know, you can tell me. And I am going to just hot glue that to it so it'll have a hanger, because you can use it for a hanger. Okay. Just going to hot glue that right there. And if you have the regular style Christmas tree hangers, you know, that's what you can do too. You glue it right on. And I don't like that glue showing, so I'm going to snip a little piece off there. Put it right over it. Nice. Clean that little piece right there off. There we go. Let's wait for that glue to dry a minute. It's like my little bow don't want to stay in the right direction. There we go. And of course you could use any color with this. This is pretty neutral. Now, how you like that? Let's do one more. Okay, we want to keep the ring with that. So we'll go to the one above it. Okay. So I want to keep the ring with that. Okay, so this is the one I want to take off. Okay, so I've got the ring on that one. Got this straightened out. I'm going to pinch it hard as I can. Okay. There's sandpaper. See, it's kind of sharp right there. You don't want to get cut. Good job, good job. I want this to be, I'd like for them to all be the same length, but of course, it's not always possible to do that, but we can get it pretty close, like that. String that through it. Then we're going to hot glue these two together. Just a little bit of glue. Let's clean that end up. Still using that ribbon that we pulled like that. Okay, still using that. Little dot of glue, not much, just a dot. If you don't want to use a screwdriver to do this with, bamboo skewer, toothpicks, you know, anything just to keep from burning your finger. Don't burn your finger. Uh-oh, my glue didn't stick. Oh boy. Okay, let's try it again. I might not have put quite enough on there. And if you can get just a little bit on this end, just a tiny bit, to keep that from fraying. Nice and clean. Okay. And how many will we get off of this belt? One, two. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll get a dozen off of this belt, off of this one belt. Okay, let's go to the next one. Is that all the belts? Oh, we got the metal box left. Okay, let me go get that. Whew, it's cold out there now. I was sweating all morning, and that's South Carolina for you. Whew. Just taped it off so the tape wouldn't get on the inside. There's our latch. I think this would be a good gift box for if you have someone in your family that loves to hunt. Or camp. Little kids that are fascinated with treasures. This could be a treasure box. I could put them go to the bank and get them a thing full of $50, silver dollars. Not a whole box full, you know, just like a couple. Okay, that looks good. Russell did a good job. Now, I hate for this to be so simple, but here's the other belt that we bought. How we're gonna do? And there you go. You just put your gift in there, and it's ready. These old metal boxes like this, they're so much fun to do crazy stuff with like this. So you could use this for a Christmas gift, Valentine's gift, you know, anything like that. I think it's very masculine, but it's also very feminine because it kind of looks like Santa Claus's belt, you know. But it's a fun idea. Very simple, very fun. And these belts, these stretchy belts, oh, they have them at all the thrift stores. I mean, just go get you one at the thrift store. They're not expensive. You could also stencil something on here if you didn't have time to go look for a belt, but you have some of these boxes at your house. Just spray paint them and stencil something on there. You could do that. But I think it's a quick and easy and fun gift. Merry Christmas. Here's your present. Very unique. Okay. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, I sure would appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button. And if you hit that subscribe button, try to make sure you at least watch 2 videos all the way through, because that helps us get to grow our channel. And it's no charge to subscribe. They don't charge you for that. It's free. All it does is let them know in the algorithm that you like this type of content, and they'll push it up to the top so more people can see it. And if you would do that, we'd appreciate it so much. If you like daily devotions, go over to the daily devotion playlist. Russell has enough devotions on there. He's already done a year of devotions in advance. So every day we are loading them as many as we can. So if you like daily devotions, go over and listen to that. That's on our channel also. And we'll be continuing to broaden our subject matter because we have a homestead here. So we'll be adding that on soon, and a few other things. So if you enjoyed it, subscribe, hit the like button. Thanks.